Hi everyone, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm showing some embellished envelopes with the flowers I made the other day, and I'll link that video down below so you can check that video out. And the envelopes that I made with the WRMK mini punch board. WRMK mini envelope punch board, and I use this one. This is the one that I use. These make mini envelopes. And here's one that I made. And the flower, I'll link that down below so you can see how I made these flowers. And that's a cute little flower. And I made these embellished envelopes. And I made these envelopes a little, these are like 1, 2, 3 inch by 2 inches, 2¼ inches, something like that. And these are just envelopes, embellished envelopes. These could be put on a card. And see how I did the flower, how I made the flower. And then these here were printed out with the WRMK Keepers PrintMaker, and it's a little handheld printer. That's this one here. This is a handheld printer. That's how I did all the sentiments on these envelopes. That's how I made these sentiments here. And these are a die cut. I'll link that video down below. I made that one. And here's another one that I made. Thinking of You. And this was made with the envelope punch board. And this was printed with the WRMK Keepers PrintMaker handheld printer. This here. And here's another one. That's what I did with the flowers that I made the other day. And this says Best Friends Forever. And that's the same. This was from the WRMK PrintMaker. That's how I printed this out. And these can go on a card. Let me see if I got a card. But you would use a different you go on a card like this. That's for an embellishment. Yep. You can use these as for embellishments to put some pretty pattern paper or something in some ribbon. So that's another one that I made. And that mini WRMK PrintMaker printer, that handheld printer, it prints really nice. And these envelopes are handmade with the punch board. And here's another one, embellished envelope that I made. These are small envelopes. And this one says, You Are My Sunshine. And they're really cute. Here's some more flowers these are the handmade flowers that I made. And I'll link this video down below to see, so you can see how these were made. And these are sequins in the middle. And this is a flower die cut. It's like 4 flowers cut. Isn't them some cute little flowers? And yeah, this is a nice little punch board to have if you like to make mini envelopes. It's got one on the back. This is a card that they made in different ways that they used it. And this is nice to have too. This handheld printer. I'm gonna lock it back in place. And I always keep it in this little bag here when I'm not using it. And I'll show you all the cards again that I made. These are so cute, the embellish envelopes. So which one do you like? That's all the ones that I made. Embellish envelopes. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks for all the returning subscribers. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I'll link the flower video below so you can check out that one. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.